Exhilarating from every angle, revolutionary in form and function, dynamic, refined, rugged, intuitive. The next generation of performance, elevating the eSUV.
Today is another milestone on our journey as we turn vision into reality and bring imagination to life. On city streets, off the beaten track, there is a dynamic new presence, exciting new choices, totally immersive experiences to fit every driver, enrich their lives, and power the electric revolution. Further and faster.
This is a landmark moment. This is your front row seat to a totally reimagined dimension in the automotive world. Our vision is clear, so is our ambition. Today, we've seen the birth of two future icons. Two brands that represent a step change in the world of electric SUVs. Together, they will create a new paradigm. You also witnessed a new design language, dynamic, powerful, expressive, redefined shapes, proportions, and dimensions, imbibing thoughtful craftsmanship into every detail. A new presence on the street, exhilaration in motion in India and around the globe. What you've seen here is not just a vision. These are definitive strategic steps. We have a robust execution plan. We now begin a new countdown, a countdown to the launch day. Bring all this to you so that you experience a whole new world. Get on board, join us as we explore the impossible and accelerate into an electrifying future.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.